Nsemo yendo murikyo monene bw'amang'ana y'abasai Fikirini Jacob seritukulia lero nigo aikire Bosio Bw'Obisi yobotukia Nairobi Regional Criminal Investigations elio kurikia amang'ana bw'atikaine n'okukwa k'umusai bw'emyaka bwa 23 manyekaine buna CECIL OUMA. OUMA nigo akagirigusiria obugimo bwaye gwetera sokoraswa ritukulia Jumaine tariki 30 asomutie nyoeta karemeye gari umurikyo monene Fikirini ase epara yenyagitari ya Park Road Nursing Home. Egekorekyo nigo kyaene kigwa magega yoma komuchera Fikirini erikwego kibesa buna engeri ya magega yo kubasangireria abasaye abo abegetamu wikirana asumuyega bwo kubasira abasaye asensemo ya Karioko county ya Nairobi. Fikirini nigo boigo atumire ngora yaye guchiase eamate yanyagusira.
I first and foremost want to take this opportunity to send my heartfelt sympathies and condolences to the family, friends and loved ones of the late comrade CECIL OUMA following his very tragic and untimely death. The circumstances around CECIL's death remain distressing and are of course subject of active investigations. I believe no family should have to endure such a tragic loss. I believe no youth should have his life end the way CECIL's did. And as such, I have responded to an invitation by the investigating agencies to record my statement as to what really transpired. And already, I think, as it was shared, 7 people, including 2 or 3 from my office, have already been summoned and equally shared their side. And my commitment is I will continue to make myself available for any investigation pertaining this tragic death. We will continue to support and make myself available upon request by the investigative agencies who are actively digging into this so that ultimately we can ensure that justice is done.